Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream because it's very sweet. Or mm, my children also like ice cream very much.
Okay. What is your favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor is kulfa flavor
Why?
because it's very tasty. So
Okay,
I like.
answers should be full. They should be 4 5 sentences and they should be good use of English language like sentence structure, vocabulary, pronunciation and fluency. These are 4 marking criterias. Now let's go on. Do you prefer to have ice cream after lunch or after dinner?
I mostly prefer to eat ice cream in dinner time after dinner because it's time all of family member will sitting at at home, so I eat.
Okay, so I eat. You need to give me your answer like in one go, all right? Yeah, not in installments. So practice these topics. Let's go on. It's your turn. All right. What is your favorite mode of transportation? Car, bus, train,
My
aeroplane?
favorite car, my favorite mode of transportation is my own car because I feel easy my own individually transport.
Okay. All right. How often do you travel by car?
I often travel by car on occasion, um, some different occasion.
Okay, you need
Yeah,
to mention
and
I travel by car whenever I go for shopping.
when
At that time,
I
I travel
go
by
for
car.
shopping
Yeah, yeah.
and go to relatives' house.
Okay. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling. I travel many cities in Pakistan.
Your answers are not organized and they are very short answers. I traveled many cities in Pakistan is
Pakistan
wrong. I have traveled through many cities
is
in
in
Pakistan,
Pakistan.
right? So there should be proper sentence structure and willingness to speak English. Okay, at least there should be 5 to 6 sentences in every answer, then it will be better, right? Okay, thank you
Sir,
so
मैंने
much.